for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is about a new synthetic wig that was sent to me by Ebony Line. So thank you so much, Ebony Line, for sending over this unit. Now let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Alright you guys, before we get started, you already know what we need to do. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button. We are really moving along on this channel and I have so many amazing things in store for the upcoming year, and not to mention things in store for these next couple days left in this year. You know, we got to finish 2018 off right. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you never miss a new upload from me. Guys, so this is today's wig. This one is called Kaso. It is from It's A Wig. This one is in the color 1B. The stock card, although, is very, very colorful. I was tempted to get the colorful one, but I really wanted to see how this style will look in a natural color. So here is Kaso straight out the pack. This color is in a 1B. It looks pretty shiny on the screen, but in person it's not too bad. Although it definitely doesn't look like a 1B in person to me. It looks like a 1. I like these weird little like bumps that it has in it. I'm just hoping that it brushes out nicely, but I definitely like that about the unit. It does come with soft lace. It has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and 2 adjustable straps. And this is what the parting space looks like on the inside. And this is what it looks like on the outside. So I definitely think she could probably be flattened a little bit around the part. But other than that, I'm just going to cut the lace and pop her on. If you're curious about the unit that I have on right now, this one is a oldie. This one I've had for a long time. This one is Outre Penelope, and I do have a review up on her. I'll leave it in the comment section down below. If you're curious about this makeup look that's very like festive, and it was not intentional for it to be, but it is. It looks like a Christmas holiday look. I do have a video up on it, so I will go ahead and link that as well. Guys, I had a really good feeling about this wig when I saw it online, and it definitely lives up to everything that I thought it would be. This unit is just flat out cute. Like, there's no other way to word it. Like, this one is just bomb. I absolutely love this wig. It's so adorable, so effortless in a natural color. This is definitely an everyday unit. It's an all-out slay. Like, I just think this one is so cute. You could dress it up, dress it down, do a bunch of different things with it. She's giving effortless vibes, and I love units like this that don't really take a whole lot. You could wear it behind the hairline, in front of the hairline. It's just cute, you know. It's definitely cute. So let me turn around so you can see her from all sides. Definitely adorable. I really don't have any downsides to this unit. Only thing I needed to do was just flat iron it at the part, but that's not even a downside. You just do it and that's it. You do it one time and it's done. She's really cute. Like, you could wear her further in for a little more drama. which of course I love more drama. You could wear her behind the ear. Adorable behind the ear, in the face. You could shift the wig and wear her even more of a deep part. You could wear her going straight back away from your face. A little bit of hairspray and she's good, just going straight back. Completely away from your face, which is really cute too. This unit is just cute, so there's no other way to put it. If you guys have questions or I left anything out, oh, cap size. This cap fits me perfectly. I'm not using the straps. I am using the comb in the back, but I'm not using the combs in the front. This wig fits bomb. I do have a smaller size head. I would say my head is average. Maybe a little smaller than average, but average. And this one is fitting me perfectly. If you have a larger size head, you can always stretch the unit. I don't know if you've ever stretched your units before, but you can literally just unhook the loops and the adjustable straps and stretch it. Or you can get a larger size canvas blockhead and stretch it around that for a couple of days, and that can help. Or you could also just like add a little snip to where the back of the cap is and just open it up that way. But this unit is cute. I love it. If you guys have questions, like I said, leave it down below. Make sure you're subscribed to this YouTube channel. It really helps me out. And make sure you head over to Ebony Line to check out this unit and all the colors that are available. I'll leave a link down below in the information bar so you can click over to Ebony Line's website. Make sure you guys are checking out all of my other businesses and sites as well. JessTheDragoness.com, GleeMade, MelaninClassic.com, and on Car Streets. And I'll check you guys out in the next one.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back.